Welcome to Compare Foods TV, FlyTy and Jacinda, and this month is all about celebrating our fathers. Yes, we are coming up on Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to you, FlyTy.
Thank you so much, and let me send a big shout out to all the dads that are part of our Compare Foods family.
Yes, FlyTy is a father of 3 boys. You're an exceptional father. How amazing is it to be a dad to your boys?
Absolutely, Jacinda. I think that being a dad is probably one of the most amazing privileges that I get to have, one of the most rewarding responsibilities that I've ever had. I've done a lot of jobs, but being a father has simply been a blessing to me.
Now, what are some of your most memorable moments as a dad?
Wow, it's so many. I mean, I can go through the Rolodex of my mind, the thousands and thousands of memories that I get to share with my kids, but it's the simple things that mean a lot, like playing basketball in the backyard, or the summer vacations where we get to go to the beach and or just sitting down, having family time, putting together a puzzle or playing a video game. It's those moments that, you know, you really create those bonds that last a lifetime. Or something as simple as, that's why I love Compare Foods, having meals together, because I don't allow my boys to be on their phones when we have dinner. So whenever we get to spend that quiet time alone and we get to create real conversation, I do feel like I'm creating legacy, or that I'm helping mold our future generations. So being a dad has just really been a blessing, and I know all the fathers out there that get to spend time with their kids feel the same. I grew up without a father, and that's why I go so hard in making sure I try to spend quality time with mine.
Now, share that one funny story about you and the boys shopping at Compare Foods.
Whoa, I love it. I love it. So the last time we went to the Compare Foods store, we always go in there and I say, you can't have this, you can't have that. But this time I said, you know what? I'm going to let you guys pick out dinner tonight. And I got my buggy.
Or shopping cart. No one says buggy.
Cart. It's the same thing. And they had theirs. So I said, okay, meet me at the checkout line, right? So I had all healthy fruits and vegetables. You know, everything from Compare Foods is so fresh. I picked out the meats and everything. They came back with all sugary junk food, sodas, chips, just everything. So, you know, I let them get it too. So it was fun to see what they picked out compared to, you know, what I picked out. But that was one of my most special moments, and we talked about it later, so it was great.
Dinner was good that night, all thanks to Compare Foods, that's for sure. And just like a dad, bringing the joy and allowing the kids to get whatever they want while they're at Compare Foods. Well, we have a special announcement for our Compare Foods family. Speaking of family, our family is officially growing. And so FlyTy will officially be a dad of his first baby girl.
We're having a baby, yo! Another great Father's Day.
Yes, happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there, and happy Father's Day to you, FlyTy.